Hey, what's up guys, you're back with another video. In this video we are going to be talking about a really amazing project called as AIPTP.com. So if you are interested in learning more about it, then make sure to stick around till the end and also subscribe to our channel and like this video for regular crypto videos. AIPTP is a revolutionary blockchain for decentralized AI. As you all know, there is lots of hype going on around AI based, that is artificial intelligence based project. So here you are getting a chance for being a part of this industry by participating in the pre-sale of AIPTP. So here are some benefits you will be getting. Participating in AIPTP, you will be getting exposure to AI, that is artificial intelligence, machine learning, as well as Web 3.0, NFT space as well. So you will be getting exposure for all the different kinds of industry into one single project itself. So you can see AIPTP is an ecosystem comprising of several AI based applications that they are creating. So we are going to be talking about that as well, so don't worry. So basically AIPTP's vision, that is ATMT's vision, is to diverse intelligent super brain chain, providing investor with unprecedented advanced artificial intelligence tool and technology to enhance the blockchain industry manipulation experience, to optimize their trading strategy and increase their investment return hundreds of times over. So they are integrating AI with the blockchain technology. As in the current artificial intelligence, there are different projects that are created and growing massively, but in that the negative side is that the data, that is our data, is handled by the third party, that is for training and different data manipulation. So here in this project we are getting 100% decentralized guarantee, as they are integrating AI with the blockchain. ATMT's technically focus on transformation of existing blockchain system to enable AI industry application to utilize blockchain technology for the flow of data, service and other resources. In future, ATMT will build an AI digital rebirth system to replicate human consciousness, image, social interaction and information. So they are going to be game changing in this space by building some different application that will be replicating human consciousness and how we think and how we imagine different stuff, which is something really cool. Bitcoin L2, AIS chain and AIW chain. So now you may be wondering what actually it means. For example, Bitcoin L2 is nothing but Bitcoin layer 2. As we all know that Matic, that is a Polygon, is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum scaling that is built on top of Ethereum chain. So here Bitcoin L2 is nothing but a layer 2 solution built actually on Bitcoin network. So all the security and all the different computation will be handled by Bitcoin chain and it will be built on that. And now let's check out what actually is AIS and AIW. AIS chain stands for, and which is responsible for the computation process in AI algorithm, which trains large and complex data into usable visualized data. Means this, the main use of this AIS, that is why they are using AIS in their ecosystem, is that they will be transforming the large data sets, that is large data that are available in the market, and it will be transformed that into usable visualized format. And now let's move on and check out what is AIW. AIW chain is responsible for extrapolation process of AI algorithm, which extrapolates the computational result to reasonable scope and within the scope of human comprehension. And then process of exploration also requires a lot of computing power for the aggregated analysis. So these are something technical stuff that you and I cannot understand. So basically AIW chain is responsible for the AI algorithm, which will be using it for the computational power, as it requires huge resources. And also here you will be getting mapping, double L2, EVM support, AI mining and cross chain. The basic fundamental is that it is an EVM supported, which will be using Solidity language. AI chain adheres to a decentralized spirit of Bitcoin, a new protocol that will allow assets to cross chain seamlessly without human node verification. Oracle decentralized. So these are some technical stuff that they have shared. And also here comes their roadmap. They have shared their roadmap till Q4 2023, that is start developing Bitcoin L2 AIS and AW chain. Don't worry, we are going to be checking in details in the from the white paper, and also you will be finding the link for the white paper in the description, so you can click on that and you can learn more about their ecosystem and how it works. So these are the upcoming apps that they are creating. The first is AI Draw, which is just like a DALL-E, where we can create image just by writing the prompt, and the second is AI trading, that will be referring to the use of AI and machine learning algorithm in financial trading application. This technology can be used to analyze large volume of financial data and identify pattern and trend that can inform investment decision. So this is going to be also a game changer. And the third is AI wallet, that is currently in process, that is refers to digital wallet with AI integrated into this, that will allow you to monitor cryptocurrency market and optimize your investment decision based on the market. So these are all the amazing lineups application that they are creating, that is AI mining, AI game, AI search engine. So that is what making me much more confident about this project. And also soon they are going to be launching AI PTP NFT, which is also something really amazing. That is, you can create cute cartoon art pictures or gorgeous shocking science fiction art picture just by using the prompt analysis, which is also coming soon, which is something really game changer. And also I suggest you guys check out this trailer, that is they are building the future. So I personally think that you should check this project out. And also now let's move on to the white paper. So these are all the ecosystem, that is AI search engine, game development, wallet, that we already talked about the different ecosystem. And now let's move on to the tokenomics. So they are having a total supply of 1.997 trillion tokens, out of which they have allocated 25% of the token as initial liquidity. It is 100% added to Uniswap at once, 20% for public sale, that is 20% unlocked at TGE, 10% unlocked monthly, and 10% as a foundation fund used for ecosystem development grants, linear unlock after 6 months. So they are following a vesting period for each and every fund. And also they will be using, that is value mapping for ATMT will be gas fee, staking of AIS chain network. They brought back from the profit of artificial intelligence block, DAO, other like exchange, paying, investing, etc. So that is also something really cool, that they are going to be doing buybacks from the profit that they are generating. And also if you have some more information, you can check out their contract, which is right from here. And also now let's talk about the ATMT team. You find information about the team. Currently the team is anonymous, that is the development team. So they have not shared yet information, they have not doxed their KYC. So that is also take a note about. If here comes their roadmap, currently we are in the phase of Q2 2023, that is complete listing of CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, and coming up with that Q3 2023 complete the release of several application of AIPT, that is AI NFT, AI trading. So they have shared their roadmap till Q3 Q4 2024, that is release Bitcoin L2 test, finish AIW, and go live on AIS mainnet, which is something really cool. And also you can check out their governance structure about the foundation right from here. So that is all regarding this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button, and also suggest you guys follow them on their social medias to keep yourself updated regarding any of the news they release. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.